Hi, this is Michael Lynch from Lynch Truck Center. I want to show you this beautiful, bad 2008 Kenworth T800. This thing is the Miller spec on steroids. If you look, this has a 20,000 pound front axle, dual breathers, 46 rears, sleeper. It's got the black platinum interior in it, which is just absolutely gorgeous. .565 horse, 18 speed. This body has tons of Millenium marker lights. It's got pods. It's got the strip lights in it, M6s. It's got the alternating flasher kit on it. Now what's really nice about this truck is this truck was painted base coat, clear coat. The whole back end is base clear, so it won't fade in the sun. Again, this thing's got 46 rears, hydraulic rear outriggers for stability and winches, and it's got the third winch on this beautiful V70. Also, the lighting package this thing has on it is incredible. It's got the Lumitech H120s, HM120s, which are incredibly bright. It's got 4 of those, rear camera, Euro underreach, nice long wheelbase. This thing is all set for a stainless lit panel with your name on it. We will engrave your name in this thing. It's got the spatter paint inside of all the toolboxes. And there's dual breathers, the 15-inch breathers, 20,000 pound front axle, dual steering boxes. This thing's ready to go. It's got the Dominators inside the windshield there. Now, typically with a V70, you'd order this with a 180 body, 180 CB body. This has a 160 CB body. Instead of having 2 upright doors here, it has a 48-inch tunnel, which instead of those really small pass-through tunnel boxes, you get this huge, monstrous tunnel box, along with all this nice storage. I mean, it really makes a difference. This thing's got the spatter paint. It's got the felt liner there, the lining on the bottom of the toolboxes. Miller's really nice new toolbox they got here. Wireless tow light kit, air lines. Everything has the color key. It has the color keyed winch cable handles, stainless steel wrap on the cylinders. If you have any questions on this truck, this thing's here at Lynch Truck Center ready to go. www.lynchtruckcenter.com. Please call us, let us know if this thing would fit into your fleet. Thanks so much.